Hello everyone, we're going to talk today about laser levels, and the one that I'm going to be showing you today is this Takamine 360 laser level. I'm going to show you what comes with it, a little bit how to use it, but more importantly what you could use these laser levels for. Didn't really realize how many different tasks at home a laser level can help with, and I'm going to just show you a few of those. And then I'm going to put a link in the description and also the first pinned comment on where you could potentially get one of these if you wanted to. And I'll keep that link updated and refreshed in case there's an updated model that you would need to know about. The cost is not going to be crazy either on this one. This is a good middle of the road cost product, and I've already tested it out and worked really well for me. So let me just show you what comes with it, and then we'll show you how and why you'd want to use one of these. All right, here is the device. This is the laser level, and we've got 3 spots where the laser can come out, and this is self-leveling too. So even if you're not exactly holding this straight, or it's not sitting on a tripod exactly straight, this thing will screw into the bottom. This is another leveling piece you can screw in here. It will still display the laser level on the wall or wherever it is you're pointing it. We're going to do that in a few minutes. This also comes with the battery, its charger, a remote, and this piece here, this will, I'm going to show you how this works. This allows you to mount the level on a wall. So let's say you just slide one of these pieces in here like this, and you can mount this piece on a wall, and then here your laser level will, with these magnets, will attach. And now you can have this thing mounted on the wall and do the work in your room. Just like this. Okay, so I have this thing mounted on the counter, and you know, one of the things that we're going to do at some point is install a chair rail. So this thing, like I said, is self-leveling, and you can see if I'm moving it, you can see the laser bouncing on the wall here a little bit, right? When I let it go, it slows down. So if we were going to mount a chair rail, we could follow this line and mount the rail just accordingly. This thing's got the ability to also go vertical. Okay, so now this line is level, vertical, and let's say you're hanging wallpaper, for example, or something else you want to do on the wall. Draw a straight line down from the ceiling to the floor. You have the ability to do that because this thing goes in multiple directions. Okay, you might be looking to mount shelves. I've got this thing not too stable because I'm holding it in my hand right now, but you can use one of these to make sure that the shelves and the pictures that you're hanging are all in the same spot and they're level. Alright, so we're here in the garage now, and I'm going to be doing another video that I'll link to on how to set your electronic, your laser detectors for your garage door opener that's supposed to censor when someone steps in the way to stop the door from coming down. And you need to make sure you have those at the right height, and you can do that with this laser level, making sure that these things are all in the right spot. So that's another great way to use this level. Now another use for this thing is something that I'm going to be doing in the future too. Another future video is running some new piping for my downspouts, the drain pipe that's supposed to take the water out. You want it to have a gradual decline and decrease, and so the laser, we're going to start at the high point here and measure it across, and want to make sure we have a certain descending, declining pitch of the pipe as it goes all the way to the other end towards the back of the fence. And this laser level is going to do a great job of helping us to do that. Now right now you probably cannot see the mark it's making up against the siding because it's so bright out, but under normal conditions or darker conditions or without the the camera, you would be able to use this laser level to help you to make sure that you've got the right pitch. So I hope that this little short tutorial on how to use a laser level, and also the little quick review of this Takamine laser level was helpful to you. If you have any questions on how to use it, or any questions about my experience using this product, I'll gladly answer that for you down in the comments. But like I said, I did use this for a couple of jobs already. It was helpful. I used it on a very large construction site. We were measuring the pitch of some pipes. Came in to be extremely helpful. So hopefully this is helpful for you too. If so, please hit that like button, and wouldn't mind if you would subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next time.